Dreaming of pumpkin spice lattes and a crackling fireplace? Get your living room ready for autumn with fall decor from Hobby Lobby. Here are 2 ways you can style your space for the season. The foundation of this look is a quintessential fall color palette that's steeped in rich shades of golden orange. Autumn is the perfect time to invite the outdoors in, and natural touches are a key part of this style. Here's a tip. You can layer floral picks into a harvest garland to fill in any gaps and make it look even fuller. Cozy throws and comfy pillows are a must for curling up on cool evenings. We mixed in classic plaids for an added dose of nostalgia. Since it's the season of gathering, keep your table ready for guests. This warm, inviting array includes a tray of drinkware for serving up hot apple cider. Traditional fall mainstays in a warm color palette gives this room a classic feel. But autumn doesn't mean everything has to be orange. For a fall look that blends seamlessly with your existing decor, we suggest a soft, understated approach. Here, fresh pops of green settle into an earthy, neutral palette. Autumn is about getting cozy, so we incorporated pillows in touchable textures and added a scented fall candle to warm up the room. For this muted color story, we introduced subtle contrast with various shades of wood, adding dark wicker and walnut accents alongside lighter tones. Focus on elements of organic charm that harmonize with your everyday items to round out this refreshing autumn style. If you're ready to nestle into new fall decor, you'll find all the essentials for welcoming the season at Hobby Lobby. Come explore our fall selection today, in-store or online. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.